You ever notice how sometimes you just walk into the shop and your brain just isn't there? You want to be productive, but the creativity isn't firing. I've learned something about myself this past year. I actually need 3 different creative spaces to stay inspired. Not 3 different buildings, but 3 different environments that I need for my brain to switch modes. My first space is my wood shop. It's loud, it's dusty, it's chaotic, and honestly, I love that. The shop is where wood becomes bowls or a vase, or just whatever I want to turn that day. But this space isn't always for great thinking. You can't hear yourself over the dust collector. You're very focused on technique. Creativity here is very physical, not mental. The second space is my office. This is where a totally different kind of creativity takes place. It's also where I work. This is where I plan videos, write scripts, design thumbnails, and now, with a 3D printer, experiment with new tools and accessories. The guitars, the Legos, the records. These are all things that refill the creativity tank. Creativity here is quiet, more focused, and no dust collector needed. And this brings me to the third space, the one that took me forever to recognize. And it's not a physical room. It's the space that I enter when I'm live streaming or when I'm talking to you all down in the comments. It's the Early Turners Club. This thing's in the way. It's the chat and all of you down in the comments. This is where I get the biggest creative boost. Some days the stream gives me more energy than coffee. This coming from a guy who drinks a lot of coffee. When I get stuck in one place, creativity slows down. But when I move between the shop, the community, and the office, the momentum builds again. Each space feeds the others. An idea I have in the office becomes a conversation that we'll have on stream, and then a project that we work on in the shop. So I am curious, what is your third space? Do you have one? Do you have a corner of the house where you sketch ideas? Do you have a favorite podcast or a favorite online community you like to hang out with while you work? Let me know. Leave a comment down below. If you're still looking for your third space, you're always welcome here. If you liked the video, please leave a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do. It really does help us out. And I'll talk to you guys next time.